Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that directly cause playback errors. Check your Wi-Fi SSID and password, then restart the router and your Firestick. This clears temporary network glitches. Once done, run a quick speed test. Aim for at least 5 Mbps for HD streams, because low throughput causes buffering and errors. Make sure any VPN or proxy is disabled, since encrypted tunnels frequently interfere with DRM and streaming authentication. Now, with network confidence, move to the app and device level steps. Next, you focus on the app because corrupted cache or outdated code often triggers playback failures. Force stop the app immediately to end any hung processes, then clear cache. If that doesn't work, clear app data to reset settings. After that, update both the app and Fire OS. Compatibility fixes frequently arrive in updates. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app. This replaces broken files. Make sure to sign back in and test a short clip to confirm playback before continuing. Finish by addressing device and environment stability. Restart your Firestick to apply recent changes. If Wi-Fi remains unreliable, try a wired Ethernet adapter for consistent throughput. Consider a factory reset only as a last resort. Backup account info and passwords first, because it erases local settings. Finally, if playback still fails, capture any error codes or timestamps and contact the app provider with those details. This speeds diagnosis. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try another profile or device to isolate whether the issue is account, app, or device specific.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.